Yo, what is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be reviewing Newegg and finding out if it's reliable. So Newegg has been a major player in the PC parts scene for years. They've got a huge selection and decent prices, but are they trustworthy? Well, let's talk about shipping. So generally, they're pretty fast, but there have been some reports of delays. And returns, they can be a bit of a hassle sometimes, but they're usually doable. So the real issue is customer service. Some people have had great experiences, others not so much. There are stories of them being unresponsive or difficult to deal with, and while they do have a price match guarantee, it can be a bit tricky to get it honored. And not to mention, there have been some concerns about counterfeit products, so it's always important to do your own research and check for reviews before buying, especially if the price seems too good to be true. So at the end of it all, is Newegg reliable? To be honest, it's kind of a mixed bag. They can be a good choice for PC parts, but you need to be aware of the potential downsides. So make sure to do your own research, compare prices, and consider using a credit card with purchase protection for extra peace of mind. So make sure to let us know what you think about Newegg, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.